Hi everyone! I got an order to make a cereal ashtray and you'll never guess which cereal they chose. Raisin Bran! I'm so excited to make this. You want to start off by mixing equal parts of your resin. I have mixed 24 ounces of resin because I have other things to make today. And a quick note, if your resin is not clear like this, do not start pouring. Keep mixing. This ashtray takes about 8 ounces of resin. I'll only need about 2 ounces so the cereal will be set for the next layer. Pour a small layer into the mold and then it's time for the star of the show. Then do another pass over on top of it so every bit of the cereal will have resin on it so it can set. If every bit of cereal doesn't have resin on it, then it will probably float to the top when you do the next layer. Now you may be thinking, won't cereal rot in resin? No. For one, most cereals are already dehydrated and has preservatives, which leaves no room for it to decay or mold. Resin itself is also acting as a preservative, sealing the cereal from air and moisture, preventing decomposition. Last thing, no oxygen equals no bacterial growth. As long as the resin fully encases the cereal, bacteria and mold don't have the environment they need to thrive. If you enjoyed this video so far, please like and subscribe so you can see more videos like this. Leave a comment and let me know your favorite cereal. The next day, it's time for the milk part of the cereal ashtray. When I first started making cereal ashtrays, the white I was using wasn't as milky white as I would have liked, but the white that I use now is amazing. I only use 1 drop of pigment to get this color. I will leave the link in the description if you'd like to check it out. After 24 hours, you can demold it, and this is how it came out. I think it came out amazing. I hope my customer enjoys her cereal ashtray. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you later.